Hello and welcome to Odisha TV. I'm Lisa, bringing you the top news of the evening. The Odisha government's Subhadra Yojana has caused chaos at Aadhaar Seva Kendras, as hundreds of women were seen rushing to update and correct their Aadhaar cards. Due to misinformation, newly married women are hurrying to change surnames, addresses, and correct errors in their Aadhaar details. The mandatory requirement of linking mobile numbers has added to the rush. Odisha's Deputy Chief Minister KV Singh Deo has warned of strict action against those removing their smart meters amidst outrage over inflated billing by Tata Power. Consumers are not authorized to remove the meters, which involves risks. Angry farmers and residents protested by dumping their meters outside the TPWODL office in Bargarh. In Odisha, onion prices have reached 55 rupees per kilogram and garlic prices have soared to 400 rupees per kilogram in Berhampur. This surge follows a recent spike in potato prices, further burdening consumers already facing high costs for vegetables and groceries. Traders attribute the hike to supply delays from Nasik due to rain. President Draupadi Murmu has empowered Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena to form or appoint members to any authority, board, commission, or statutory body in Delhi, as per a Ministry of Home Affairs notification. This decision follows the 2023 Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj have opposed this move, alleging central interference. An Odia youth from Bhadrak has been identified as the mastermind behind a fake currency printing racket at a madrasa in Prayagraj. The police have seized 1,300 fake 100 rupee notes and other equipment. The gang had been involved in the counterfeit currency business for the past 3 to 4 months. The CBI is investigating calls from an overseas mobile number to officials and doctors of Ajikar Medical College on 9 August linked to a junior doctor's rape and murder case in Kolkata. The body was found in the hospital's seminar hall, and demand for justice has continued since. India achieved its best ever medal haul at the Paralympics with a tally of 21 medals, surpassing the previous record from Tokyo. Indian track and field athletes, including Ajit Singh, Sundar Singh Gurjar, Sharad Kumar, Mariyappan Thangavelu, and Deepthi Jeevanji, contributed significantly. Avni Lekhra narrowly missed a second medal in Chatoraks. And Varun Bisoi, a young man from Odisha's Daringbadi, has made a significant mark in Bollywood as a Foley artist. His journey from being a tailor in Odisha to working with top directors and actors like Amitabh Bachchan and Aamir Khan is inspirational. Recently, he played a significant role in the success of the blockbuster Stree 2, starring Shraddha Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao.